My name is Tom Gallant. I'm the Vice President of Engineering Technology for our commercial HVAC business in the Americas. To be an engineer at Trane Technologies, it's a super exciting time. When I started 20 years ago, we got excited about making incremental improvements in our products, and now it feels like the innovation that we're doing as an engineering technology team that we do in a year is what we were doing in decades 20 years ago. Just the pace is rapidly changing. I tell the engineers that we're bringing into our business today that you're going to have a wild career. It's not going to be your grandfather's HVAC company type of a career. I think it's exciting that we have the sustainability commitments that we do, and I feel like it gives me purpose. And living our purpose to challenge possible and innovate for a sustainable world is extremely exciting, not only as an engineer, but just as an individual, a team member. And they're big problems, which from an engineering standpoint, they have an impact not only on this community, but our country, but the entire globe if we're able to do it correctly.